Well, I see fashion development about texture, about vision, and a concept. And following, it's a marriage. It can't be one component without the other. You can't have a hairstyle without makeup. You can't have fashion without shoes. So for me, I'm looking for the total package, hair, makeup, shoes, nails, toenails, pedicures, maquillage, the accessories, and the total execution and playing a part of this. And also is to involve some of everything in the grab bag. Whether we see it or not, that's what we're looking for. And a lot of times you'll see us looking on the floor to see if you actually use it. And to use it but not necessarily see it. As you stated before, in the beginning they had forks and spoons. And people would just stick the fork in the middle of the style. And it made no sense. But if you put it into the style for us not necessarily see it as a fork and a spoon, but as a foundation to build the hairstyle that you're creating, that's what we're looking for. But again, when you're under pressure, you don't know what's in the bag, so you don't know what to expect, and sometimes you just panic and just do what's easy. But if we just think, and most importantly, read the rules.
Okay, very good. Good evening.